Hey, this is Amos, aka Chicago for SiliconChief.com. Hey, what party y'all coming from? What party? Yeah, what bar?
We just ate dinner.
Yeah.
We had a great time.
Cool.
Now we're gonna go get really crump.
Oh, what? Y'all finna go to a bar now?
Yeah.
What's the name of the bar?
That's a good question.
How about Casey's?
Casey's, is that the bar?
Yeah, it's a good bar. I party there myself.
Do you?
Yeah.
P-A-R-T-Y?
Yeah, true A Chicago style though. I'm that.
Style?
Yeah.
We got a Chicago guy up front though.
Who's from Chicago?
Who's from Chicago?
Where you at?
Bob.
Which one? The big guy?
The big guy.
Hey man, what's up? What part of Chicago you from?
I'm from Chicago.
Alright, I'm from the Gold Coast.
I'm from South Side.
South Side, yeah. Gold Coast, 87. I was born over there on 87 in Houston.
I'm from the Comiskey Park area.
Oh, cool. I know where that at, 35th.
Yeah, 35th.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. So y'all enjoy yourself. Look at this fan, y'all. Hey, this is SiliconChief.com is all about getting interviewed and beautiful women. Look at these women. Wow. Hey, turn around, beautiful blonde. I guess you don't want. And you got some handsome man, no homo. You got some handsome man out here. Look at you showing me his ass. Well, then, you know, I did 25. No, but anyway, you don't know nobody I know. Nah, but all right, I'm out of here. This is Amos, aka Chicago for SiliconChief.com. Hey, brother, I miss you, man. Do you say hi? Say hi to the people out there in internet land. Holla.